Greetings all, my name is Jason Colyer. I'm the Support Operations Manager here at GitLab, and today we're going to go over creating forms in the Zendesk UI. So let me share my screen and we will get started. To create a form, you're first going to need to go to the admin panel, which will be done by clicking the gear icon on the left here. Then under Manage, you're going to locate Ticket Forms and click that. And then you're going to use this Add Form button here at the top right of the page. Now from here, you're going to go ahead and start giving a title. So we'll call this test form. If you want this visible to end users, you'd click this, at which point you can give it a name. This is a test form, use. And then you're going to simply add columns. So we'll add a couple random columns. We'll just go ahead and add every column because why not, right? So yeah, we're going to add a bunch of them. All right, so we've got every column here. The order you see the columns here is the order that will be asked to the customer for those that are visible to the customer. So as an example, subject and description will be at the top, AR problem will be right below that, so on and so forth. But let's say we wanted to take the company name and we want to go ahead and say we want to ask that first. So we move it up here. You can rearrange these as needed. But once you're done with that, click the blue Save button and it will create your form. And there it is at the bottom. This means on the drop down for the actual sandbox, in this case, the sandbox, but in the support portal, test form would be at the very end. And again, what the customer is going to see is not test form, but this is a test form, please do not use. Now, once you've done that, you need to create the conditions. So you click, hover over it and click the three vertical dots. And you're going to click conditions. Now from here, you can start adding conditions. So to do this, you'll click the add condition button and we'll go ahead and say like, we'll do subscription. So like self-managed subscription is ultimate. Let's then ask for the subscription email. And since this is the agent side, we're going to say, we don't need to require it. And you just do that for every single condition that you would want. Now you can click this and go to the end user side, and here you can start adding the conditions. Usually what you'll actually want to do is just copy conditions, and what this will do is copy the exact descriptions from the agent side, to the end user side, any that aren't applicable. And to show you an example of that, let's go back to the end user side. We'll add a condition for, where is it? We'll do, let's do one that's specific to agents. So let's do, thinking of an agent side here. Oh, let's go to agents first. That'll help. So let's do a type, because that's something that's only specific to agents. And let's say when it is task, let's show due date notes. Now, this right here, this type one is only specific to agents. It doesn't exist for end users, but if we copy the conditions, and you can do it this way, or, another method to do it is click the three dots here and then copy agent conditions. You'll get this pop-up that says some agent conditions were not copied, fields that are not end user editable. And you'll see how type wasn't copied, but the rest were. Once you're done adding conditions, click the blue Save button and your ticket form is good to go. That's all there really is to creating a form. At least on the Zendesk UI side, you'll want to, use the sandbox, create your form, go look at what it looks like in the support portal for the customer, for the end user. Make sure that it looks good. It's in a pleasing form. It's in a good, it's in a good style. Common groups are kind of close together, grouped together. So things that are like customer name, customer organization, customer email, you all want all those together because they're the same kind of category. But stuff like GitLab, GitLab version number, runner version number, you'd want those together, but it wouldn't make sense to like interject them with the company, organization, name, email, et cetera, et cetera. So something to keep in mind when creating and editing forms. Just kind of takes a little time to learn, play around with it. If you ever need help, reach out to your fellow support ops team members or a support ops manager. We're always willing to help. I hope you found this educational, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.